Imagine signing up for a science experiment and realizing you're basically auditioning for the role of Dumb Corpse #3 in a horror movie. Spoiler, this actually happened. A lot. History is full of scientists who looked at ethics and said, nah, let's cook people instead. Today, we're diving into the dumbest, deadliest, and most what the hell were you thinking experiments in history. Buckle up. Because if you thought high school chemistry was dangerous, wait until you hear about science with no safety goggles. Story 1. The sleep deprivation nightmare. Let's start with everyone's favorite torture, not sleeping. In the 1940s, Soviet researchers allegedly wanted to see what happens if you keep people awake, forever. So they pumped experimental gas into a sealed chamber and told prisoners, "Congrats, you're the guinea pigs." At first the subjects just got cranky, normal insomnia vibes. Then came hallucinations, paranoia, and full-blown talking to shadow people in the corner mode. By day 15, the subjects were ripping their own flesh, eating it, and begging to stay awake. Now historians debate if this exact experiment really happened or if it's creepypasta on steroids. But here's the kicker. Real governments have tortured people with sleep deprivation. Story 2. The radiation roast. Next up, America in the 1940s, where radiation wasn't just in your microwave, it was in your bloodstream. Doctors secretly injected hospital patients with plutonium, uranium, and other fun glow-in-the-dark materials to see what would happen. Story 3. The monster study. Not all experiments kill your body, some just murder your soul. In 1939, researchers in Iowa decided to see if they could give kids a stutter. Story 4. The LSD circus. What do you get when you mix the CIA paranoia and way too much LSD? Project MKUltra, aka America's favorite government drug binge. Story 5. The electric shock party. Finally, let's talk about the guy who made pressing a button to torture strangers the hottest game show in psychology. In the 1960s, Stanley Milgram ran an experiment where participants thought they were shocking people with electricity every time they answered wrong. And here's the dark twist, most people kept going, like full power, 450 volts. Why? Because a man in a lab coat told them to. Moral of the story? Humanity will absolutely electrocute you if it means following orders. So yeah, history is full of genius experiments that were less science and more Saw movie auditions. From radioactive injections to government acid trips, one thing is clear. Humans are the worst lab rats. If you enjoyed this trip through humanity's dumbest experiments, smash that subscribe button, or better yet, inject it with plutonium and see what happens. This is The Know Show, where science isn't about discovery. It's about proving just how dumb, desperate, and dangerous humans can be.